everyone, welcome back to American Car Legends, the place where we dive deep into the boldest, wildest, and most legendary machines ever built on American soil. Today's vehicle isn't just a camper, it isn't just a limo, and it definitely isn't just a van. What you're looking at right now is a rolling mansion, a luxury jet on wheels, and one of the most outrageous builds of the decade. This is the $3 million 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper, a vehicle designed for people who think private jets are a little too ordinary and five-star hotels are too predictable. This machine exists in a world where comfort has no limits and price tags are almost irrelevant. At first glance, the 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper looks massive. And that's because it is. Built on a heavily reinforced Savana commercial platform, this limo camper stretches far beyond a standard wheelbase with an extended body that looks more like a luxury railcar than a traditional van. The proportions are bold, muscular, and unapologetically American. The front end carries GMC's modern design language with a massive chrome grille, bold GMC badging, and full LED matrix headlights that look sharp and aggressive even at night. Subtle chrome accents run along the body, but they're balanced with gloss black trim to keep the look modern rather than old-school flashy. The side profile is where things get truly dramatic. Tinted panoramic windows stretch almost the entire length of the vehicle, giving passengers an uninterrupted view of the outside world while maintaining complete privacy from the outside. Power-deployable running boards slide out silently when the doors open, because climbing into a $3 million limo camper should feel effortless. The rear section features custom LED lighting elements that glow softly, making this Savana instantly recognizable in hotel driveways, private estates, and exclusive events. Step inside and the outside world disappears completely. The interior of the 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper feels closer to a luxury penthouse than a road vehicle. Everything you see and touch is wrapped in premium materials, from hand-stitched Italian leather to Alcantara headliners and real wood trim sourced from sustainable luxury suppliers. The floor is finished with custom hardwood panels, combined with plush carpeting that feels more like a private lounge than a camper. The seating layout is fully customizable, but most builds feature a combination of executive captain's chairs, limo-style sofas, and reclining lounge seats. Each seat is heated, ventilated, massaging, and individually adjustable with touchscreen controls. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, with dozens of color options that can change based on mood, time of day, or driving mode. Whether you want a calm, warm glow for nighttime cruising or a vibrant setup for entertainment, this limo camper adapts instantly. Technology is everywhere, yet it never feels overwhelming. A massive curved OLED display dominates the main lounge area, functioning as an entertainment hub, navigation center, and control panel for the entire vehicle. Passengers can stream movies, attend video conferences, or monitor driving conditions in real time. A high-end surround sound system with studio-grade speakers delivers concert-level audio quality, making every drive feel like a private performance. Connectivity is taken seriously here. The 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper comes equipped with satellite internet, multiple 5G antennas, and a private network that ensures fast, secure connectivity anywhere in the country. Whether you're crossing deserts, mountains, or city centers, you're always connected. Wireless charging pads, hidden power outlets, and USB-C ports are seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. Then there's the living space, which is where the Savana truly earns the camper part of its name. The kitchenette is compact but incredibly luxurious, featuring a marble countertop, induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, refrigerator, freezer, and even a wine cooler. Everything is designed to be silent and vibration-free, so the driving experience remains smooth and peaceful. The bathroom setup is equally impressive. This isn't a typical camper restroom. You get a full stand-up shower with rainfall showerhead, a vacuum flush toilet, heated floors, and a vanity finished in stone and brushed metal. It's the kind of bathroom you'd expect in a high-end hotel suite, not in a vehicle cruising down the highway. Sleeping arrangements are nothing short of extravagant. The rear section transforms into a private bedroom with a king-size bed, premium mattress, blackout shades, and soft ambient lighting. Overhead storage is cleverly hidden, and climate control can be adjusted independently from the rest of the cabin. It's quiet, comfortable, and designed for long-distance travel without fatigue. Under the hood, the 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper doesn't disappoint. Power comes from a heavily upgraded V8 engine, engineered to handle the vehicle's weight while delivering smooth, confident performance. Some builds even offer a hybrid system, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions without sacrificing power. The transmission is tuned for luxury rather than aggression, ensuring seamless gear changes and a calm driving experience. The suspension system is fully custom, featuring adaptive air suspension that adjusts ride height and stiffness in real time. Whether you're gliding down a smooth highway or navigating uneven terrain, the Savana remains stable, composed, and surprisingly easy to drive for its size. Road noise is virtually non-existent thanks to advanced sound insulation and acoustic glass. Safety is a top priority, especially at this price point. The 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and night vision technology. Reinforced body panels and upgraded braking systems ensure maximum protection for passengers at all times. One of the most impressive aspects of this vehicle is how customizable it is. Buyers can choose everything from interior layouts and materials to entertainment systems and exterior finishes. Some owners turn it into a mobile office, others into a luxury family travel vehicle, and some even use it as a VIP transport for celebrities and executives. At $3 million, personalization isn't optional, it's expected. Despite its luxury focus, this Savana Limo Camper remains practical in its own way. Large storage compartments are hidden throughout the vehicle, and advanced power management systems allow it to operate off-grid for extended periods. Solar panels integrated into the roof help maintain battery levels, while onboard generators ensure uninterrupted power no matter where you are. Driving the 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper feels surreal. From the driver's seat, visibility is excellent. Controls are intuitive, and the vehicle responds smoothly despite its size. From the passenger perspective, it feels like floating through space in complete comfort. Long journeys don't feel long anymore, because the destination becomes secondary to the experience itself. So who is this vehicle really for? The 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper is designed for people who value privacy, luxury, and freedom above all else. It's for those who want to travel without compromising comfort, who want their vehicle to be an extension of their lifestyle rather than just a means of transportation. It's not about practicality or efficiency, it's about making a statement and enjoying every mile in absolute comfort. At $3 million, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in a unique way of life. It represents the peak of American luxury engineering, blending commercial strength with limousine elegance and camper versatility. Vehicles like this don't come around often, and when they do, they redefine what's possible on four wheels. As the automotive world moves toward electrification and automation, creations like the 2027 GMC Savana Limo Camper remind us that there will always be a place for bold, over-the-top machines built for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. This is American luxury at its most extreme, and it proudly wears that title. Thanks for watching today's episode on American Car Legends. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious camper builds ever created, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more legendary American vehicles, and let me know in the comments what you think about this $3 million rolling palace. I'll see you in the next one.